want to say that thank you for coming into my life. Thank you for showing me how to love someone. I have spent years standing between the posts, training to stay calm under pressure, to protect and never to give up. But today, I stand here knowing that my greatest responsibility is not on the pitch, but beside you, as your husband.
Alhamdulillah, syukur kepada Allah SWT dapat kita bersama-sama berkumpul pada hari ini adalah untuk menyaksikan pernikahan di antara saudara Muhammad Izwan bin Mahmud juga dengan pasangannya saudari Sharifah Amirah binti Said Abdul Rahman.
My heart, I pray Allah bless us in ways that we both can't imagine and expect, and may life continue to surprise us just like how we surprised each other. I'm excited for the gazillion memories that we are going to make and to grow old with you. I love you with all that I have and more, and where you go, I go, okay? Khalas.
I promise to protect you with patience and gentleness, not just strength, to listen with my heart, to stand firm with you through every test, to be grateful with you in every blessing. I vow to be your safe place in difficult moments, your strongest supporters in your dreams, and your partner in every chapter.
Wahai Muhammad Izwan bin Mahmud, aku nikahkan dan kawinkan dikau dengan anak kandungku, Sharifah Amirah binti Said Abdul Rahman, dengan mas kawin seutas rantai emas.
Amirah, today I give you my heart, my loyalty and my life for this dunia and akhirah. I am yours. Saya terima nikah Sharifah Amirah binti Said Abdul Rahman dengan mas kawin seutas rantai emas. Sah.
Ini Muhammad Izwan bin Mahmud menjadi suami yang soleh bagi Sharifah Amirah binti Said Abdul Rahman.
Sayang, thank you for coming into my life. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for showing me how to love someone. I promise I will take care of you, love you for the rest of my life.
I will be the very best person that you need me to be, inshallah. I promise to be the best wife that you need me to be. I promise that I'll also be the one that holds you in the road to Jannah, inshallah.